So that's the first thing. Secondly, really the public infrastructure. I think that's where, again, the government can play a much more important role. And this morning I was at a different session here. I was telling over the last 20 years, for example, without the infrastructure, both the digital and non-digital, the public infrastructure, I don't think many of the things which we were imagining would be.
If I may quickly contribute to that, I think, well, AI is about algorithm, right? We need to look at in which sector AI is actually used, right? When we're talking about regulation. If AI is used for telecommunication, for example, just to improve the connectivity, right? You can use it, not much of issue. But this comes when you want to use AI, for example, in healthcare, right? Then that touch upon personal data and so on. So I think in terms of, well, I wouldn't say regulation.
Now, what I see is all of this is also related to education. Okay, and again, when you said earlier that we need to update our laws, but so we need to update it fast. I was a regulator, and sometimes it took like 2 years to update something, and after when the law passed the assembly, yes, it's too late. Now we see it with TikTok. Some countries now they want to regulate TikTok, but most of the youth they are using TikTok, so it's too late now to tell them, okay, come back. So we need now to think now, update the law and have strategies.